Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Hays County, Guadalupe County, West Central Gonzales County, East Central Bexar County, Southeastern Comal County, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Randolph Air Force Base, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include San Antonio, New Braunfels, San Marcos, Church, Seguin, Cibolo, Universal City, Randolph Air Force Base, McQueen, St. Hedwig, Marion, Kingsbury, Santa Clara, New Berlin, Staples, Zoll, Geronimo, Zorn, Converse, and Redwood. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for South Central Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.